Welcome back to another video on the channel. On our last video, we had a lot of people asking, well, what if I need to shut the car off? What if the gas pedal gets stuck or the brakes go out? So today, we're going to show you how you shut it off if you're in an emergency or something. Let's get right into the video. Doug said you guys see him as a walking dollar sign. What the hell? I'm gonna have to show you guys this. Not to be mean, but come on. Really? Alright, I'm just gonna say it. If you drive one of these, you're the biggest loser out there. Especially not in a truck. Small PP club, I guess. Small PP club, maybe. Electric? Come on. We were getting some comments on Facebook that Camry's not a real sports car. Alright, then don't consider your WRX a sports car. Don't be putting exhaust on there. Alright? Alright, now we're on a side street because we didn't want to do this on a main road or anything. We're going about 40. If you guys see that, you know he didn't cut me off. Alright, here we go. You hold the button. And it shuts off. Takes about 4 seconds. Now we're gonna do it again, going 50. Just so you guys know, it's 45, so you get a little extra. Alright, we're going 50. And again, it takes about 4 seconds to shut off. And if you just don't want to do it right back right away, you just flick it in neutral. It'll start right back up. So if you were in an emergency, you would be able to shut it off. Now we're going to try it again going highway speeds. About 70. See how it happens. Okay, 165. About like 4 seconds. Now, if you're gonna say, well, what moron's gonna have to do this? I don't know. I don't know, but we had people asking in the comments. If you have a Subaru, I don't know if your Subaru's gonna break down or not. They said, what if the gas pedal gets stuck or something? I said, I don't know, Subaru boy. A lot in the comments saying, well, what happens if the gas pedal gets stuck? And I have seen it happen quite a bit of times, more than you would think. Where people say, well, my floor pedal, but you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. I've seen it happen in quite a bit of time, actually. You see it all over the place. Sakes. Well, with you on a Subaru, I can't help what's going on. So we just wanted to make a short video just to demonstrate. We're going to try it again going 20, just to see if there's a difference in the time. Each speed that you're going. So we're going to try it again going 20. And we'll see how long it takes to shut off going 20. So we're going to turn onto this road here. We're going to go about 20. We're going to see how long it takes to shut off. Now, this is a little bit more busy of a road. Wait till we get past this here. Cut this out, editor boy. Now I got 2 cops. Way to go, buddy. Alright, here we go. Alright. We're gonna turn onto this road up here. Now we're gonna go 20. Just gonna see if it takes less of a time if you're going to a different speed. You hold it. Neutral. There you have it. Alright, now I'll end it here. We also, now you know, if you need to shut off the car in an emergency, you just hold the start button. Thank you for watching another video on the channel. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.